I'm feeling
La studio ke kushoda King but akunankinga inkosana ikhona kuna Prince Valley exclusive drive ku BCR FM 104.1 the pumping beat of ikase in the mood bala ke music in a box kuna King kule ngoma kuna Easy Kwan ula studio wenda lutayileke ngako kuvakala ukuthi khona signature signature sound le sesinasepotwala bana kethu anginamukele endahlelweni njani bufethu
siyaphila ninjani
hayi siphilile ke 100 ngifuna ukuthola nisemudini because already umlaleli ungenile emudini isho njalo ingoma
yes sisemudini sikhona music in a box Izikwan King X thelekile BCR FM siyabonga lithuba
bathi yiva bra wenda nayi ibeat ekuse makhulunywa ngapra lo wenda nayi le beat le ekuse kukhulunywa ngabani
kukhulunywa ngaSipho Thwala Sipho Emmanuel Thwala PRA Shivakade ungenide umshiva
King akekho lana enihlangana njani naye
King X lenye lijalo sebentile nalo skipili EP yakhe The Last Man Standing so ngithami wakangosi
benizeke ukuthi kube ngibani nguYking phela
kube inkosi
The Last Man Standing
The Last Man Still Standing
yes angathi ukuthi ngathi resident makusakata mina akashoti into iba easy uhlala khona nakethu ngakunika nalelithuvu zele kumlaleli
Yo, what's up guys, your boy Izikwan, man, you know this, and we are inside. I just want to say thank you for everyone tuning in. Yeah, man, we're bringing in new music into the local scene, so I hope you guys tune in, and there's more music coming soon, guys, so make sure that you tap in.
Ngeke ngakhicita nama emculo lapha ngakhicita ishow so nami ngiyathi ukuthi mangiphethe itopic letside ngiyathi ukuthi stuke emlaleli ngafuneka expect lenjani mawushaya libeat ucabanga kanjani ukuthi le ngathola King nakhwana vele lengumito bemudini le ngiyifunako
yathi ubuthe into lebaleka kakhulu mina kahle ngikuphendula kwami kuya ngalesikhathi sami ngisengisebenze kakhulu ema-artist amaningi so ucishe sekulula ukuthi ngathi ukuthi nangitothatha lo nabani kwenda lokho so lenye advice engasho ukuthi mhlambe nede ama-artist or ama-producer ukuthi ubalekile ukuthi ucollaborate lenye producer noma nalinye artist kukhona kokwendelisa ukuthi uvele interest yalomunye khona ekuhlanganisa abantu ngiso spice sami leso
Kwan working with King kunjani
I think it's a wonderful experience, man, especially when you're working with a really, really good rapper, especially here at Kaslate. You don't really have a lot of rappers who rap like that. And for me, I'm a different type of rapper. I'm more of a trapper. So, you know, it's an honor to work with other rappers like us. So it's a wonderful experience for sure.
Senesikhathi lesizwe nisebenzisana no2 Prana Kwan la bengasho nje ukuthi munye nguspeed munye ngilelithawula That's speed. So
give speed I'm joking.
We're looking good uyayibona. Umthatha khona bra because nguwe lo ufuna ubuke italent la wamthola lapha enhlangana lapha nakhona.
Khwana suka khashana. Esuka ngisadlalisa abantwana ama game lapha standing restaurant. So ngambona le talent lakhe ajive is to dance. Kakhulu ngimbone kuma videos akhe yabona ngingathi ukuthi umfana wala lokushini yabona just uyabona online then say submit ngamtshela ngemusic because bekane group la usanayo le group yakhe la jive kunayo yabona then ngamtshela ukuthi okay let's just do music mina nginema project lengiyawenda before I think u talented so is kuhamba isikhathi senda music kwabalula njalo
bowathi ukuthi uyenda music kumele bombone adansa kuphela
bengikho sure ukuthi wenda music because kakhulu bengumthola ukuthi uyadance yabona so sahlala phansi wangitshela ukuthi hayi mina ne group yami siyaqula senda so sengathi mina haya nginaso studio saye studio wangikhomba vele talent lakhe it's more than music now he's a filmmaker yabona so ngichaza ngaloko because elevation after elevation and 2025 we're taking it to the next level so
black superhero
yes he's the black superhero
right filmmaker bekufuna wale khwana ma artist ane ego la yini le kwende ukuthi ufuna kuyosebenza na pra
one of the reasons is experience, you know.
Yeah.
And I remember when I met him first, it was way back where Irokafela used to host shows, you know. And I saw them with Bopoda, and I was in the article called Phonetics, you know, but as a dancer back then. And I was like, wow, there's people who do music like this. Like back in the day, we used to compare them as Potota Trebalakas, you know what I mean? And they still are those really, really experienced rappers. And I feel like if I could at least have, you know, a way of joining them or joining their group and be able to cultivate in their sound that they are making, I would really, really be honored. And ever since I've worked with Bra, Willie Ipiak at the back, that was like a dream come true for me, you know, because I always wanted to work with people who are really passionate about hip hop in general, you know, because there's not a lot of people who understand hip hop like them, especially like us, you know. We have both Smash and Grab, we have both Music in a Box, you know, and being able to work with legendary artists like that is like a very good experience. So him, Klananai, he was able to give me that, you know, experience with working with legendary artists and then new coming artists as well.
Awukajoyini Pra yedwana kule una Psycho Ill umjoyinile sihloko sengoma sithi Black Superhero wilalela ku exclusive drive BCR FM 104.1 the pumping beat of Ekasi sina Pra uvela ku Music in a Box bana Easy Kwan.
Black Superhero,
Black Superhero, Black Superhero, Black Superhero.
Ngikhatha ngoba vele kubuya ku Cut and Rhythm sihloko sengoma ke sithi Black Superheroes na Easy Kwan sina Pra la studio kule bahambisana na Psycho Ill. Pra,
yes,
what is Cut and Rhythm? Ngoba siqale sayibonanga nawo ama Black Superhero nawo lo beku episode 1 mara ibese yaqhubeka wagcina sekunabo make yaqhubeka wagcina sekunama producer yana afika ku Dope Baba yase Barberton. Yeah, hey mama Madima, so yini ke Cut and Rhythms?
i-Cut and Rhythms, it's a series lekhona ku YouTube. So kahle kahle aim yale Cut and Rhythms kuthi isicucutele ama artists kuthi akhona ama platforms, because kunema platforms la khona lokushini labangasinikona. But shout out to Bizarre for the platform. Any day, anytime, just you book a slot, you email when they gonke bakunika a slot job asihlale sikhona Bizarre. So lama platform lawa iswende kuma barber shops, because sibona ukuthi sipromote music wethu siphinde sipromote bantu labazulaka labasita ukuthi sibuke as artist njengebantu baselokishini. Shout out to Nengo, shout out to Raba, shout out to onke ama barber shop aseKasi, shout out to ema salon now as supporter, because asibuke I barber shop yedwana sibuka nani nema salon. That's why sithi Cut and Rhythms. So ku Cut and Rhythms thatha ama artist aye go performer kulama barber shop, while ama barber shop bendani basivula basita yabona. So sendani promoter music pieces promote bani labenda inwele basilungise inwele side tuke sima salon, because ma salon besithaga tema females ukuthi I perform, because nema artists nema females la performako. So go afikile a performer Sizo, Chloe Perez na Lady P ba performile kuma salons. So promote talent. So ungayicheka ku YouTube yakho Cut and Rhythms, noma ucheke Sipho Twala
bachaza bakhona banisupporta yini ngoba ngibonile seniyanatha nokunatha maye kumnanzi ninatha mandi nilaka akekho mbunjwane nilinonatha.
Yes, siyabonga I-support futhi ku Kasi Pure for ukuthi supporta for mandi ama artist a performer nje, so basupporta ukuthi babona ukuthi sinalo talent lokishini ukuthi ma artist naka performer phenza nathe mandi. Shout out to bonke laba supporta.
Ube episode 1 Kwan la ngokuhamba ngayibona le rhythm banikhatha la ansekho kuvula kweze music video le kuwe ihlukile kutheni kuwe boyilinzele into leso ngiyakwathi unokuthanza ukubukela into letsota ngesha boyilinzele mhlambe la simzini setsela Mpumalanga ngombe la khai Paptin platform.
Definitely ngulinzele, because you know we are indie filmmakers and it's important for us to just keep creating and making more content no matter where you are, you know. And just like how Brad did, he saw an opportunity, you know what, there's barbers, local barbers who's doing a really good job like us, you know, and why not, you know, make a little podcast and invite some artists who have music and they go and do their own thing. Because, you know, people are out there making, you know, films, taking out the mic, you know, being in the streets, making videos, and that alone is an inspiration. But we just wanted to do it our own way so we can kind of like bring back to the community, you know, and hence we came with the Cut and Rhythms, and it's really doing a lot for the community. I mean, I'm seeing the children, they're loving it, they inspired by Bafisa Gubakone, you know, and it just kind of shows how big Cardam Rhythms is, because, you know, we're just inspiring the young generation as well. Not only the young generation, but the young businesses who are also pushing now for Impilo.
Yeah, nabo se baba ngale rhythm yokukhatha kulama barber shop no advertise akwala class. No, nani madoda ndlala umsebenzi omuhle la class. Ngiko sin celebrate la the pumping beat of class. PCR FM nokuthi nhlaleni internet into let exclusive, so the driver akule hlelo leli balalele bafuna kubona le content lokhuluma ngayo asicale ngawo bakulandzela ku.
If you guys want to follow me, make sure that you tap in on my socials. I'm available on Instagram at EasyQuan. You can tap in on my YouTube. I will be dropping more visuals, definitely more music coming on the way. And I am available on all social media platforms. I got a new song called Emperor out now on all major platforms. Make sure that you tap in on my socials at TikTok. That's EasyQuan. Make sure that you tap in as well on my Facebook. I'm available. If you guys want to do business, if you guys want to do photo shoots, graphics, or films, hit me up. I'm available at easyquan@gmail.com.
Sithwale mina ke thu siphe ama social media akho ya.
Sithwale nabo boshiva kade. Kulula uthi Siphothwala ku YouTube.
Yeah.
So just search Siphothwala or search Music in a Box. So nangithi Siphothwala kubalula because Siphothwala onke ma platform ilink ene nema platform so search Siphothwala noma Music in a Box. So kakhulu ma subscribers sicela nisfollow, because when you get more followers bakhona kubona umsebenzi wethu, bakhona kusibuka. So ngicela nisupport, ngiyabonga.
Ngiyacala kubona umuntu owacelela ingunzi nje manimbona sesha Siphothwala. Sesha Siphothwala amlalelo ufuna kuba in the mood. Uyithola up na track na because into to promote yona seyiphumile.
So in the mood ngicela ukuthi nani nibe tuke mood le mood yethu ya 2025 yokuthi let's do great this year. Asende show ukuthi si stretch ama muscles. Uyabona manje ngiba ningimatch. Asi stretch and more sibe tuke mood. Search Siphothwala Music in a Box. Sibe tuke mood le one song.
Ushilo ke Siphothwala la usi stretch ama muscle kwara izikhwani ngoba i-body builder exclusive ku PCR FM 104.1 the pumping beat of Ikasi libutela mngi Prince Valley
abantwana age from 15 yaphasi ngoba into yebantwana it's about bana batsala dogma bete emsebenzini batsakiwe labanye balova lo munye soyajola unemuntu wakhe uyayibona lento le so sinalabantu